This is Unit B. I talked to this lady and they are planning to move also. They're in the process of finding a house. And they have a dog. Very similar here. Less stuff. Less backyard too. Well, this seems to have a hard time. The carpet's not quite as worn out. Again, laundry. Leading into the garage, aka storage space.